How to find your EPIC number and check your name voter list online. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your name in the voter list and how to find your EPIC number if you don't know it yet. So if you've been asked for your EPIC number and aren't sure what to do, follow along step by step to get it done. All right, let's dive in. First, your EPIC number is a unique ID that's on your voter ID card. You'll need this to search your name in the voter list. If you already have your voter ID, you can find your EPIC number printed on it. Now let's check your name in the voter list. Go to the voter list search page. Choose your preferred language at the top using Select Language. Type your EPIC number in the Your EPIC Number box. Select your state from the Select Your State drop-down. Enter the CAPTCHA code shown on the page and hit Search. And that's it. Your name should appear in the voter list. But what if you don't have your EPIC number? No problem. There are two other ways to search. Option 1. Search by details. Click on Search by Details. Enter your name and your relative's name. Fill in your date of birth and age. Hit Search and your name will show up in the list. Option 2. Search by mobile number. Click on Search by mobile number. Select your state and language. Enter your mobile number and the CAPTCHA code. Tap Search and your name will appear. So that's it. Whether you use your EPIC number, your personal details, or your mobile number, you can easily check your name in the voter list. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.